Yeah, still keeping an eye on Tropical Storm Colin. This is going to be our main story today. Even though it's not forecast to make landfall near our area, still going to have impacts on our weather for the next 2 days. As we head through the morning, you can see here still winds just about 40 miles per hour, moving north around 10 miles per hour. Forecasted to make landfall late afternoon, early this evening around the Big Bend area, and then move across our state tonight before completely exiting by Tuesday. We are going to keep heavy rain in the forecast, though, because of the atmospheric setup. We're going to be in prime conditions for heavy rain throughout the rest of the week, actually. You can see the center of circulation here, not really well defined. Colin is definitely not a well-defined storm this morning, but you can see from the wind where that center of circulation is, about 400 miles southwest of Tampa right now. We've got quite a bit of rain on the west coast, and we have had a few tornado warnings on the west coast as well. For us, just some showers out there this morning, so enough to get your windshield wet as you're heading out the door. A better chance for heavier rain and storms will move in for us this afternoon. So you can see just some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder or two throughout the morning. By lunchtime and into the early afternoon, that rain moves in. It's really, I think, from 2 o'clock on that we start to see those bands of heavy rain continuing and the better possibility for a few storms. So we do have a Storm Team 5 weather alert day from 2 until 8 p.m., although I think that could be extended just because we'll have the rain and possibly some storms continuing into the overnight as well. That's something that Tyler and Steve will decide a little bit later in the day. Now, as far as our risks for today, lightning and wind, pretty big risks here. We're going to have gusty winds with some of these rain bands, also flooding with that heavy rain, and then also really an isolated threat for tornadoes for our area as well. These would be weak, brief tornadoes, but nonetheless worth a mention. It's so muggy and warm out there this morning, low to mid 80s across the entire area. It is going to be a muggy, hot day. Headed for the upper 80s. As I said, gusty winds out of the south gusting more than 40 miles per hour at times. Those rain bands and scattered storms continuing. And then tonight, upper 70s, gusty winds, rain and storms continuing. The possibility for flooding will continue as well. You can see temperatures staying in the upper 80s for the next couple days, really staying very rainy today into tomorrow and even into Thursday. Even as Colin moves in on, we're expecting still heavy rain. You can see here our rain chances really don't decrease until the weekend.